This is why you need to take your fishing game to the next level. You won't believe this record-breaking redfish. Imagine you're out on the water, just an ordinary fishing day. Suddenly, bam! You've hooked something huge. And it's not just any fish, folks, it's a redfish. But not just any redfish, the world record redfish. This beast weighed in at a staggering 94 pounds. Yes, you heard that right, 94 pounds of pure fishy glory. It was caught off the coast of North Carolina, and it's got anglers everywhere dreaming big. Just picture the battle, the rod bending, the line screaming, your heart racing. And when you finally reel it in, there it is, gleaming in the sunlight like a red-scaled titan. Whether you're a seasoned fisherman or a weekend warrior, this catch is the stuff of legends. So, next time you're out there, remember, the big one is out there waiting for you too. Cast your line and who knows, maybe you'll be the next record holder.